So to disassemble, I believe I pull this up. Yep. And that should come loose. Okay, no, never mind, I forgot. Everything comes out the back. I'm gonna see if I can launch it down. Oh. There's that piece. There's that piece. Okay, sweet. Ah. Alright. It's taken out. The spring and the other piece. Don't exactly know the correct terms for what they're called. But got these out of the way. And then now I can go on to the internals of the frame. We need to remove this screw. Alrighty then. That screw. So this is for the top of the grip. So I'm gonna put this right. This over here. Alright. Safety is out. I am gonna be using the stock safety until I decide to replace it. Alright. So this moves on to the trigger. The sear, I believe it's called, and the valve knocker. Alright, so let me take all this out. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is actually move on with the valve knocker real quick before I go on to the trigger. So grab this. Alright, trash over here. So let's see here. This looks like it's how it's supposed to be assembled. Oh crap. Fingers are kind of shaking. And my hand's kind of shaking. So to get it off, need to undo this spring. Which pushes that back. I can just lift this up and lift this out. So we're going to change that for this one. And then I believe we just put it in the same way we took it out. So outer goes right here. Trying to do this the best I can on camera. Don't really know how to actually explain everything and what all this does. I do know that the short stroke makes it to where you to where the BBs cycle faster, along with the nozzle and the nozzle spring and the recoil spring. I know those all make your gun cycle faster, and then I believe the valve knocker helps as well. So actually I believe that was wrong. Okay. This hurts. So put that like that, and then I can just Actually, hold on. See if I can just insert it like that. I think that's good. Yep. That's perfect. All right. So that's done. Now we would move on to the sear. So with the sear, I believe it was just a simple replace. Just take that off. Just take this off. And put in the other one. For the Hi-Capa Customs, I have trigger, or a hammer, my bad. Going to move this right over here real quickly. And then to take it out, we just remove, I believe it's this pin right here. So I'm just gonna knock this out real quickly. Alright, after countless times of slamming this against the wall, blow-torching it, I'm just playing. I finally knocked the pin out. That was a absolute struggle that this little thing caused me. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah. This little, that thing is finally off. Trigger is disassembled. Now, I can move that out of the way, and this out of the way, and I can finally install this way. Goes in like that. All right. So it goes in like this into that little hole, so that both of those are lining up. And then this pin is going to go right in there. Now, I don't know if this one is going to give me trouble being put in. Alright. So I'm just going to put this back in here. I'm going to use a cloth. That way I'm not hurting myself or the pin. I'm just going to use some pliers. Just gonna squeeze. Where is it? All right. Stakes were made. It's right there. I'm just gonna squeeze that into place. There it is. There it is. Nice and tight. All right. Now we can assemble it. Trigger is going to go in there. Just like that. That's going to sit nicely. Grab this. Put it right over. Make sure everything, put it in correctly. So now that we got that in, we get the screw. You screw that back in. And where's my screwdriver? There it is. Whoops. Alright, now that we've got that in there, time to move on to the thumb grips, or thumb safeties. Whoa. Okay. Alright, I see how it works. Put those in like so. Alright. This. Put the grip safety in. If it'll let me, thank God. Alright. The right one in. Then the left one. Move the pin. It's right here. Inside. Oh, nope, nope. Please. 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 Alright, pin in there, and that should be good. Sweet. Put the screw inside. And then just screw this in nice.